Okay, so I'm finishing up today project that I decided not to put on YouTube until now. It's a White Outdoors turbo cooled tractor. Chokes on. So today we are installing the carbs. So put the hood up, carburetor in right there. Put the fuel line right there. Got the air filter there. Not putting the air filter in yet. Tighten up all these bolts. Background on this tractor: it ran out of oil last year mowing. I've since fixed that issue. It's definitely not low on oil now. Air filter, very important. I watched a video today on what happens when you don't put the air filters in. Air filter is in. Almost forgot. Choke line and the throttle line. Throttle line's hard to connect up. Hook. There. Okay. Throttle line's hooked up. Drop the hood. My ratchet here. Push the brake on, and since it hasn't run in a while, I'm going to use the choke, a little bit of throttle, and let's start it. Whoa! Sounds good! Ooh, this thing is awesome! This is amazing! So what I'm doing is... Okay, shut it off, good. What I'm doing is breaking in the camshaft, obviously. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.